Hey y'all, welcome to my latest listing. This home is only 2 years old and it's located in Williamson County. It shows like new. You guys are gonna love it. Come on, let's go check it out. This wonderful home is located at 835 Sugarbush Lane in Spring Hill, Tennessee. It's located in the Wilkerson Place neighborhood right here in Williamson County. And it features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 2,089 square feet. This kitchen is easily one of my favorite rooms in the house. It features quartz countertops. There is tons of cabinet space, Frigidaire appliances, including a gas range. There's a wonderful pantry located off to the side. You've got a tiled backsplash and this really cool little coffee bar over by the refrigerator. All right, so once you head upstairs, you will step into this huge spacious loft at the top of the stairs, and it's really cool because it can be divided into different areas. You can have a spot where you can put your couch and your TV. You can have a little spot where you have a desk and maybe like a home office, and there's even an area that you could use for maybe homeschooling or something like that. And then you're also going to have 2 bedrooms upstairs and a full bathroom with a dual vanities and a shower and tub combo. Another thing that I love about this house is the backyard. When you step out onto the patio through this door right here in the kitchen, you immediately step under a covered back patio. Covered back patios are so nice if it's hot and sunny like it is today, or if it's raining like it seems to always be doing here in Middle Tennessee. And then as far as the backyard, it's really spacious and it's mostly level, so it's great if you've got kids or a dog. Another thing that I absolutely love about this home is its location. It's located in Williamson County, so it's zoned for Williamson County schools. It's also just minutes away from the new June Lake Interstate exit off of I-65. So if you need to travel into Franklin, Cool Springs, Brentwood, Nashville, it is really easy to get to the highway from here. And then as far as like shopping and dining and running errands, you are just minutes away from Home Depot, Lowe's, there's a Kroger, there's a Publix, there's a Walmart, there's all sorts of restaurants and fast food, there's ice cream places, all right here in Spring Hill. So this really is a phenomenal location. So if y'all think you're interested in this home right here, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description. You can click on that link, it will take you to my calendar, and from there you can book a day and time that works for you, and we can jump on a call and discuss your options. Thank you so much for watching, guys. My name's Matt Bogosian. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.